Hi friend! In today's video, I will teach you how to create amazing PowerPoint presentations using ChatGPT. Sometimes, when your manager asks you to prepare a presentation for the next day, you may find yourself stuck or struggling to come up with ideas. I'm here to help you, so there's no need to worry. First, open Google and search for ChatGPT. Type "Please help me create a 5-slides presentation on powering up sales, achieving targets and maximizing results." Please use your own knowledge. Then copy all the contents and paste them into a new sheet in MS Word. Here, you can change the style to match the destination styles. Then go to the View tab. You will find Outline there. Select it and delete all the slides title first. After deleting all the slides, change each heading level to 1. Also, change the second and third contents as before, and close the outline view. Just save the file as a Word document and close it. Open PowerPoint and create a blank presentation. Then go to the Insert tab, click the drop-down arrow on the New Slide option, select Slides from Outline, and open the file you previously saved. Now you can also change the presentation format. If you have Office 365, there is an additional Designer tab that suggests suitable images based on your slide title. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you understood everything well and can do your presentation without any struggles.